Hey Queens and King, welcome back to the channel. What's up, what's up, what's up? So today we'll be making passion fruit juice. And oh my god, I just love the smell of passion fruit. My other blender, my NutriBullet blender has stopped working. So I'm going to use my Veggie Bullet. It comes with a blender. However, the cup is smaller, which means I'll have to go through the process some more time. So I had 8 passion fruit and I just cut them in half like so. So now all I'm going to do is scrape it out like that. So you want to scrape out the seeds. And I'm going to do 2 passion fruit and fill this up with some water. So it's like 2 passion fruit, the ratio 2 passion fruit to like a cup of water. Yeah. And of course, if your passion fruits are bigger, because you have them in different size, then of course your measurement will be completely different. So I'm just going to fill the cup up. Yeah, so pretty much a bottle of water. So like this is 16 ounces. Probably I should have added. I'm going to add half more of passion fruit to this. Then I'm going to blend it. Guys, now I'm going to strain it. So guys, all that's left to do is to continue the process. So So guys, now we're gonna do the taste testing. Guys, it's so good. And I sweeten it to the point where it's not too sweet and it's not sour, because you know passion fruit is sour. So you still kind of get the little tangy taste and that nice smell, that sweet taste. It's still in there, guys, even though it's sweetened. I used for the correct measurements, make sure you check out my blog. It will be down below in the description box. All the correct measurements you'll need, that will be on my blog. So until my next video, guys, one love.